Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix YouTube not working on iPhone. So the first solution that we should do is to go to the YouTube app. If it's not working properly, you have just to force close it and reopen it again. And to do that, you have just to swipe up and swipe up again. And after that, close your phone and leave it closed maybe for 2 or 3 minutes and open it again and try to open the YouTube app again and check if it's back working or not. Another thing, you have to check if the internet is working on your phone and also if it's working on the application. And to do that, you have to go to settings first of all, and after that go to cellular, go to the apps and click show all, click on YouTube and be sure that WLAN and cellular data is checked. That means the app will work with WLAN like Wi-Fi or cellular data. And also check that the internet on your phone is actually working by just using apps like speed test. Open it and click on go. And as you can see, app is working properly on my phone, so no reason for the YouTube not to use it. After that, check if there is an update on the App Store for the YouTube app. Sometimes if the app is not updated, that may affect how the app works. So for example, there is no update needed for me. And also another thing, you have to check if you have iOS update. And to do that, you have to go to settings, general software update, and check if there is any software update for your phone. If it's working properly, the next solution is to delete and reinstall YouTube. You have to long press on it. After that, click remove app. And after that, go to the App Store and install it again. Next solution is to check if you have, as you can see, there is an update now. I will install it after. If the next solution is to go also to settings and go to general and go to iPhone storage and check that you have at least 10 gigabyte available on your phone from the storage of your phone, because sometimes when the storage of your phone runs low, the app will not work properly. And the next solution is to check if YouTube itself is having a problem, because sometimes for all the big websites and applications, sometimes they have problems their services stop working, but this usually don't stay for so long. Maybe it will stay from few minutes to maximum 1 or 2 hours. So you have to check that by trying to access YouTube from another phone or computer next to you. I hope that you liked this video and I hope that those solutions will solve your problem. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.